Hello, good morning, dear students. Myself Sanjay Sharma, your chemistry teacher. Today I will teach you acid and base concept. Let's start. Acid and base concept. First of all, I will teach you what are acids. Because acid are those which shows a tendency to accept electron. Acid always electron acceptor. According to Arrhenius acid. According to Arrhenius, acids are those which provide H in solution, and according to Bronsted and Lowry concepts, simple called Bronsted acids. Bronsted acids are those which provide H in solution. For example, HCl, and Arrhenius acid are those which provide H solution, for example HCl. And third type of acid, Lewis acids, are those which contain vacant orbital, hence accept lone pair in its vacant orbital, for example AlCl3. These three types of acids are given in NCERT, and this is a general concept of acidity. Acid are those which accept electron. And what is the base? Base are those which donate electron, which provide electron. And according to Arrhenius base are those which gives OH ion in solution, for example NaOH. And according to Bronsted and Lowry concept, Bronsted base are those which accept electron, which accept H ion from solution, for example hydronium, for example water. When this accept proton, this changes to hydronium ion. And third type of base are called Lewis base. Lewis base are those which provide lone pair to Lewis acid. In this case, they must contain lone pair. Such type of molecule must contain lone pair. In this case, ammonia contains one lone pair. Now this act as Lewis base. Now these three acid and base concepts are given in NCERT in ionic equilibrium chapter. And this is a general concept of acid and base. Now let's continue. Students, there are two types of species in chemistry. First neutral and second charge. Beta, neutral are more stable. Neutral are more stable than charge species. Neutral contain no charge. Neutral, for example Z, this contain no charge, and Z either contain positive or negative. Because this contain either positive or negative charge, now this becomes charge species. And there is no charge means this is neutral. And neutral is more stable. Neutral is more stable than this is charge. Charge may be positive or may be negative. Being stable, more stable, its formation is more easy. Formation is more easy. More stable species always easy to form. Formation of more stable always occurs at low energy, always occurs at low activation energy. In this case, because this is more stable, its formation occurs at low energy. And among charged species, the species which contain less charge, further more stable. In this case, this contains less charge. Now this is more stable. This contains less charge, means this is more stable, and this contains more charge, this is more unstable. Now what are acids? Beta, acids are those which accept electron. Acids are those which accept electron. When two species are given, the species which accept more electron, shows more tendency to accept electron, will act as more strong acid. In this case, when an electron is inserted between these two, because this contains less charge density, now this accept this incoming electron very easily. But in this case, electron repulsion already present. When electron is inserted in this case, further more electron repulsion means this shows less tendency, because This shows greater tendency, means Z negative will act as strong acid, and this is simply represented as strong acid. And among these two, because this contains less charge and this charge will be more stable anion. Among these two anions, this anion is more stable because this contains less charge, and this will act as strong acid when donation of electron occur, because this contains more charge density. Now this donate electron easily. In this case, this act as a strong base. Z2 negative will behave as a strong base, and among these two, because this contains more charge density, means this anion is more unstable anion. This anion is more unstable anion, more strong base, and more stable anion, more strong acid. On the basis of this, we can conclude that stable anion will act as strong acid. And this loses electron hardly because there is less charge density. Now this will act as weak base. And in case of unstable anion will act as strong base and will act as weak acid. Beta, acid and base both are inversely proportional. As tendency to accept electron increases, then tendency to lose electron decreases. Acid and base both are inversely proportional. Now this is the general concept of acid and base. We can define acidity or we can define basicity on the basis of stability of an ion. Understood? Now let's continue. Beta, in periodic table, what is the order of stability of an ion? This is the order of stability of an ion. This is the period and this is the group. In a period, stability of an ion. This increases on going from left to right in a period. Now, which factor is dominating in deciding stability of an ion? And this is electron negativity. And in a group, stability of an ion, this increases on going downward. And what is the important factor in determining stability of an ion? This is size. On the basis of size, we can define stability of an ion. And as stability of an ion increases from left to right or on going downward, this is the same order of acidity. Means acidity increases in periodic table from left to right, and this increases on going downward in a group. Now I will explain. For example, methane, ammonia, water and HF. These all are the element of second period. All contain H ion, and after the loss of H ion, CH4 changes to CSC negative. 1 unit negative charge arises on this carbon, and after the loss of proton, 1 unit negative charge on this nitrogen. After the loss of proton, 1 unit negative charge on this oxygen, and after the loss of proton, 1 unit negative charge on most electronegative fluorine. These all belongs to same period. These all have almost same ionic size. Because they have almost same ionic size. but have different electron negativity. What is the order of electron negativity? Carbon shows 2.5, nitrogen shows 3, oxygen shows 3.5, and fluorine shows 4. Means this is the increasing order of electron negativity. Now what is beta electron negativity? Electron negativity means electron holding capacity. Those elements which are more electronegative holds electron easily. Fluorine being most electronegative, this holds this incoming extra electron very easily. And because this shows minimum electron negativity, this shows maximum losing tendency, or this holds this electron very hardly. In this case, this loses electron easily, and this loses electron hardly. Because this loses electron easily means this is the most strong base, and because this holds this electron very easily, in this case this get stabilized. Now this is the order of stability of anion. This is the order of stability of anion in a period. Stability of anion increases means acidity increases. Among methane and ammonia, ammonia is more strong acid. We can explain its acidity on the basis of its stability of anion, and stability of anion depends on electron negativity. Among ammonia and water, water is more strong acid because oxygen is more electronegative. Among water and HF, fluorine being more electronegative, this forms more stable anion, means this is the order of acidity. Means acidity increases on going from left to right in a period. Now next example, when acidity increases in group. HF, HCl, HBr and HI. These all are acid. These all loses proton, and in this case F negative, Cl negative, Br negative and I negative. These are the left species. These all are acid because all loses proton in solution. And after the loss of proton, this is the left species. And as left species becomes more stable anion, these all are anion because all liberates H ion, all liberates positive charge. In this case, negative charge left band on these species. More stable anion and more easy to form. Because fluorine is the element of second period, chlorine is the element of third period, bromine is the element of fourth period, and iodine is the element of fifth period. In this case, iodine contains 1 unit negative charge on large surface area of iodine. But in this case, fluorine contains 1 unit negative charge on a small surface area of fluorine. In this case, this shows maximum charge density because 1 unit negative charge on a small surface area, and in this case 1 unit negative charge on large surface area. This shows minimum charge density, or this is almost similar to Z negative. This is almost similar to Z2 negative. This is almost similar to, we can compare charge with Z3 negative, and its charge is almost similar to Z4 negative. Means this shows maximum charge and this shows minimum charge because this contains minimum charge, or most stable. Most stable means more easy to form because this is most stable, or more stable means easy to form. This forms easily or liberates H ion very easily. After the loss of proton, formed species becomes more stable. Means in this case, stability, as stability of an ion increases, its formation, rate of formation increases. Hi will act as a very strong acid. Hi will act as very strong acid. Understood? Let's move ahead. Student, we can use organic effect to determine stability of an ion. For example, an anion Z2 negative changes to Z3 negative when an electron releasing group is attached to this Z2 negative. Electron releasing group. Electron releasing group are those which releases electron density. For example, in organic chemistry, electron releasing group are those which shows positive inductive effect or positive resonance effect or positive mesomeric effect or positive hyperconjugation. Any group which shows positive inductive effect, positive resonance effect, positive mesomeric effect, positive hyperconjugation, this increases electron density at any species. In this case, because stability of anion, this decreases, means basicity increases, acidity decreases. And when electron withdrawing group, for example, any group which shows negative inductive effect, negative mesomeric effect or negative resonance effect or negative hyperconjugation, any group which shows minus I, minus M, minus R or minus Sc, when attached to any anion, in this case, this withdraws electron density and converted Z negative 2 to Z negative 1. In this case, charge gets stabilized, charge decreases. As charge decreases, stability of anion increases, and as stability of anion increases, acidity increases, and as acidity increases, basicity decreases. We can use these organic effects to determine stability of anion. We can decrease stability, or we can increase stability, or we can increase acidity, or we can decrease acidity. We can increase basicity, or we can decrease basicity on the basis of organic effect. Understood? That's all. I hope you understood what I taught. If you have any queries, you can write in the comment section. Thank you.